Hi guys, I'm back with another story bafethu. So Tayananiswa wrote here, Sizwe Dlomo side eyes Ibrahim Traore for disbanding Burkina Faso's electoral commission. So in Burkina Faso, they're trying to hold elections and stuff. And you know, since Ibrahim Traore took power, there hasn't been any elections there. So now Sizwe Dlomo has thrown his 2 cents into the matter. Burkina Faso President Ibrahim Traore disbanded his country's electoral commission, calling it a waste of money, among other reasons. But he's right. This guy is right, man. What has democracy done for Africa? Nothing, guys. Nothing. Democracy hasn't done nothing for us. So we shouldn't worry about these things. We should be happy that Traore is seeing reason. Popular South African radio personality Sizwe Dlomo reacted to Ibrahim Traore's decisions. Netizens expressed mixed reactions, with some calling Ibrahim Traore actions worrying, while others defended his leadership. There's nothing worrying here, netizens. There's nothing worrying. Democracy is not designed to help us, the poor. Democracy was not designed. Popular South African radio personality Sizwe Dlomo stirred social media chat after reacting to news that Burkina Faso President Captain Ibrahim Traore dissolved the country's independent National Electoral Commission. Captain Ibrahim Traore is undoubtedly the most popular, if not favorite, African leader. His supporters have celebrated him for being a pan-Africanist leader determined to free his country from the clashes of neo-colonialism and Western imperialism. Traore's latest move has Sizwe Dlomo weighing in, sparking mixed reactions. I mean, how many years has African countries been free? 50 years. More than 50 years, but there's nothing that has moved forward for African people. So, democracy, maybe we should look at other systems. Maybe we should go back to kingship, the feudal system, maybe. Because democracy is clearly not working for us. These politicians are totally against us, and they're stealing every cent from us. Sizwe Dlomo reacts after Ibrahim Traore disbanded the electoral body. On Friday, 18 July 2025, the Kenya Times reported that Territorial Administration Minister Emil Zipo confirms that Burkina Faso's Council of Ministers had approved a plan to dissolve the country's 15-member electoral commission. Zipo shared that the Ministry of Territorial Administration would now oversee all election-related matters. They should just cancel elections, because now they will hold elections just to please the Western countries. They should just cancel elections. Not like they yielded any positive result. Even here in South Africa, we need someone who will take over the country and do good for the people. Global Eye News took to X on Friday, 18 July 2025, and shared the update that Captain Ibrahim Traore has dissolved the electoral commission made up of politicians and members of civic society. The post was captioned, "Breaking Burkina Faso President dissolved electoral commission, calls it a waste of money and a tool of foreign influence." I'm telling you, it's a tool. It's like the whole democratic system is a tool used by the elite. If they don't like the certain president, they fund the other president, they put in money. Check how Ramaphosa was elected to the ANC top position. Check how he was elected. People are still complaining even today that he bought that presidency. If there was no democracy, probably Mr. Zuma would be still the president and doing good for the people. In the comment section, netizens slammed Captain Ibrahim for disbanding Burkina Faso's electoral commission. Traore and other supporters defended him, while others asked Dlomo to elaborate regarding his action. Here are some of the reactions. Hoshiko0 said, he is moving weird now. How? Because he's rejecting democracy. Fortunate 260 claimed the signs were there. What signs? I mean, the Ongapuzi, but we need a leader like him in SA. Yeah, we need a leader like him. Oh, Nina Nita, wait, democracy no be velap. The villagers in Shed, you had this discussion a while ago, and you have said it in between shows as well. But I think he started very well, and we really don't have a reason to doubt him. Let's see though. I'm still behind him. Vuga Anime said nothing surprising about this. He revealed this a long time ago, that he doesn't believe in democracy. And many African people don't believe in democracy. It's only the few who went to the schools, Model C schools and stuff. Many people don't believe in democracy, bro. But yeah, it's been shoved into people's throats. Aumongongani accused, this is how dictators are born, starting as a favorite of the community, liked by everyone. Shady Mal exclaimed, the beginning has begun. Mwenyene Moon highlight. And you guys think Ibrahim Traore took power in order for him to leave power again? Come on, and be serious about these things. Obviously, the guy will die in power. Obviously. He will be president forever in Burkina Faso. As long as he's doing right by the people, it's okay. Shady Miles exclaimed, the beginning has begun. Mwenyu highlighted, the key words here are foreign influence. The moment election take place in Burkina Faso, France will impose another puppet. Exactly. That's what they've been doing all over the world. They don't believe in democracy, even they themselves. In the United States, they don't believe in democracy. They don't. They place presidents. They choose presidents somewhere and shove it to the people and come and lie to everyone else that there's democratic processes happening. Nothing like that. I am Food Dog asked, I'm still trying to figure out the lol basis of your comments. Zishani ndoda dlozi symptom. Sizwe Dlomo accused of crime. That's another matter, guys. Otherwise, that's the story, guys. That Ibrahim Traore is disbanded and Sizwe Dlomo are complaining and others are looking some other way. And me on my side, I'm saying good. If you're doing right by the people on the ground, Mr. Ibrahim, you're moving the country forward. Don't ever let power go to you. Don't allow these Western people influence you again or influence your country's politics again. Please, guys, subscribe, like. See you on the next video.